everyone somehow chair is different from our country because this one someone make you sit on upstairs and someone making hair is down. What I'm going to do is this one. So first I will put this one like from my head and then until maybe here, like in the middle, and then I will join with this, like somehow mix together, like it's highlights, like small. I think it's you did it. Oh no, it's beautiful because local people Sharon say to me, oh this is good. Then I decide this one. Now we wait them to prepare my hair because now we starting. My hairstyle is brown color and mix with white color together mix. Everyone will see when I finish, before after. But now I feel somehow excited because I never make hair like this before, and also I heard from someone somehow so pain. Then I somehow also scared a little. But I hope that will be beautiful. Everyone wait to see my hair, okay? Now I will start. Sarah, how do you feel now? Somehow excited because I see my hair here. Yeah. It's like candy. I think it will be very good. Elegant. Elegant, yes. What is your name? Aisha. How many years ago you have 5 years. Then I think you have experience. And which hairstyle you make a lot during 5 years?
You can say like this because there are many styles that they make, and then they have to choose every style, every kind of style they do.
How about my hairstyle today? Is it very difficult?
Yeah, it's not so easy. It's kind of difficult. But what she meant for you is the one the generation they do these days. It's just new to the generation.
I trust you.
Can you see how many people put it?
They receive accordingly when all these chairs, because every chair has a person. If they are full, everyone can do making hair.
I want to know.
Yeah, like that because there are many salons and they are almost closer to each. So every salon they have different things. For this one, most especially they just make hair, the braids. Make braids for the people and then they make nails. They paint them for them. So others they just wash the hair and put some materials inside and then they can just just make a time for you, but for this one, it's more specific. First, they just make it breaks.
And Sharon say if I pain, I can hold it. Like this. It feel better. Because when they pull the hair, then also I pull like against, and then I will be fine.
A few moments later.
My neck so
Your
big,
hair.
I cannot move.
Sorry, it is what it is.
I think I have to go to hospital. Yeah, I can be back. Oh my god. This is Africa.
Something. How do you feel now? I want to stand up.
If I want to remove, how can I do? Like, yes. If okay, no, no. Okay, okay.
So my hair now almost finished. My hair is $25. It's 25,000 Rwanda francs. This hair now is finished. This is 20,000 Rwanda francs. Is around $20 US dollar. Yes. Also, I think it is not too expensive. It's okay. And you know, this hair make 8 hours. 8 hours. We come here from 8 a.m. until now is 4 p.m. So tired, and also my neck is gone. I need massage. Is this beautiful, right?